Hey guys, my name's Doug with OEMAutoPartsCo.com. Today we're in the new body 2014 Plus Chevrolet Corvette. This particular vehicle has the I05 option code, which is the 8-inch screen without the factory navigation. It has the OnStar feature, but not the factory nav. It doesn't have the XM weather or traffic either. So today we're going to show you how easy it is to go from the I05 to the premium I06 navigation. We're going to send you a programmed I06 module and a GPS antenna. The only tools you'll need is a flathead screwdriver, a trim stick, and a T15 Torx driver. So what we're going to do is access the existing I05 HMI module on the driver's side A-pillar, and that's just up under the panel here. And then we're going to install a GPS antenna below the speaker grill, the left front speaker grill on the dash. So let's get started. Your existing HMI module is going to be located on the driver's side A-pillar, so it's going to be just right up in here. You'll see right here, this is your HMI module. There's going to be 5 connectors plugged into it. You're going to want to unplug those 5 connectors. Once you remove the connectors, you're going to want to depress both tabs on the side of the HMI module. There's one on the left and one on the right. When you do that, you'll be able to slide it out of the tray. Once you disconnected the connectors, you can now slide in the module that will send you, the I06 module, back into that place. You'll hear it click into place. Then just plug in your existing connectors into the module. Next, what we're going to want to do is remove the left windshield panel here to be able to pop up the speaker grill so we can feed our GPS antenna through. We'll start by removing this clip here. Then we'll remove this cover here from the visor. And that'll give us access to the 3 T15 screws. We'll also remove this little trim from here, and that'll also give us access to that screw. Now that we've removed those 4 screws, we're going to want to disconnect the visor by putting our screwdriver in, just enough to release the connector. We'll then pull this trim down to give us access to pull our left windshield A-pillar panel out. You can see we loosened this up here. So what we're going to want to do is come down here and pull up on these panels. This will allow us to be able to slide this panel out. Now that we removed the left windshield panel, that'll give us access to the speaker grill. We'll use our trim stick to to pop that out of place. You'll notice here there's a hole that leads straight down to where the HMI module is. We'll now route our GPS antenna straight down grab it from the inside, pull down the slack, and we're going to want to place the antenna right about here. You can also use double-sided tape or Velcro in a spot anywhere in this vicinity, and just make sure you feed the wire down this speaker hole. We can then replace our speaker grill and pop it back into place. Now that we ran the GPS antenna, all we simply have to do is plug it into the newly installed IO6 HMI module. You'll hear it clip into place. Then simply take the excess cable and use the twisty tie that we supplied and tuck it into place. We can now replace the panels that we initially took out. And now that we have everything buttoned back up and in place, let's give it a shot. You'll notice we program it, the Corvette logo will come up immediately. You'll now notice a few extra icons here. If you didn't have text before, you'll now have that. You'll see the best part of this whole upgrade is you'll now have free navigation and XM weather and traffic, which requires a subscription, but that will be located there. So let's check out the nav. You'll see it pinpointed our location immediately. This is the premium navigation system, so it's going to have all the latest features. 3D landmarks, all the points of interest you could think of. You can enter an address, points of interest, or you can talk to text. It's a really cool setup. If you guys want to add a front camera, rear camera, or side cameras, reach out to us. We can also do video streaming onto the screen through your smartphone. All sorts of awesome upgrades that we can do in conjunction with navrepair.com. So reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to help. Thanks for watching.